Good morning, gang. It is Tuesday, April 14th. Hope you're doing well today. The country in the little intro jingle there is, of course, the country of Madagascar, the world's largest producer of vanilla, which is fantastic. And also, a couple other facts about Madagascar. It actually separated physically from the continent of Africa millions of years ago, which is why most of the species on the island you will only find on the island of Madagascar and nowhere else in the world, including the species of lemur. That's right, the lemur is not just found in the movie Madagascar, but also found for real in the island of Madagascar. Just make sure you watch out for the Fusa. They'll steal your women and your precious metals. Let's see here, what else? Couple of things. Yesterday, the journal question, food hot or cold? A lot of you said that you wanted your food hot, which I agree, but some of you, I gotta say, you got some flawed logic. A number of you said that you wanted food hot because you couldn't imagine eating meat cold. You're missing out, people. Trust me. Fried chicken that is left over and cold, eaten the next day for breakfast straight out of the refrigerator, that's a delicacy. You're missing out. Cold pizza, another delicacy. You're missing out. There's no shame in eating your food cold. Cold food can be delicious, but definitely, yes, hot food for sure. Your question today, oh, by the way, yesterday one of you also said, can you imagine eating cold oatmeal? That's disgusting. Cold oatmeal, no bueno. Today, would you rather drink 16 ounces of, or eat rather, 16 ounces of ketchup straight, no fries or anything like that, or drink 48 ounces of hot dog water? Me, I'm going to go with the hot dog water. I just can't stand the thought of stomaching all that ketchup. Anyway, on to the learning for today. Today we're going to be learning about a concept known as apartheid, which means apartness. Just think apart, separate, apartness. A concept known as apartheid found in South Africa. And I don't mean Southern Africa, I mean the country of South Africa, which, as the name suggests, is at the southernmost point of Africa. But we're going to begin learning today all about apartheid, what it was, and how it impacted the people who lived in South Africa and who currently still live in South Africa today after apartheid. Here's a hint. You're going to notice a lot of connections between apartheid South Africa and between 1950s, 60s, 70s era United States when it comes to racial segregation and racial discrimination. So we're going to start in on that today. Your journal question today, the educational journal question, is going to be a little I see, I think, I wonder, to kind of get the brain old primed and pumped and ready to roll. And then you're going to start and reading the first 2 pages of an article. In order to do that today, we're going to do things a little bit differently, so pay close attention. There is a link at the bottom of the assignment, the agenda post today in Google Classroom. When you click that link, it says article link, and there's a big link with gobbledygook. When you click that link, Google is going to ask you to make a copy of the article. Click yes to make a copy of that article. It's going to open up your article for you, and there's going to be some additional directions on there. But basically what you're going to be doing is you are going to read that article, and instead of annotating and highlighting on paper, we're going to do it digitally through the power of Google. If you're not sure how to highlight on a Google Doc, there's a video that will show you how to do that right in the directions on the doc. And if you don't know how to leave comments on the doc, like annotations, the video will also show you how to do that. So please take the time to watch that video. You can just it's very short. It'll teach you exactly what you need to do. And then today, like I said, you're going to be reading just the first 2 pages of that article. You're going to stop when you get to the section that says the struggle against apartheid. And you'll also know to stop because there's a big old roll of stop sign emojis. You'll know when you need to stop. And that's all you need to do today in terms of with that article. Learn how to annotate it, learn how to highlight, read the first 2 pages, make sure you highlight it and annotate. You should have about 2 to 3 to 4 highlights and annotations per section. All of that's laid out for you on the doc. And then once you get to the stop sign emoji, you're done with that article for today. You're not turning anything in for the day, so don't worry about that. And once you're done with that, I would encourage you to head on over to the CNN 10 link to see what our main man Carl is up. He's going to drop some Brad puns on you today. He's got a lot of great stories, so go ahead and check that out. And then, of course, don't forget to hit mark as done. I hope yesterday with the whole Ketchup Day and the whole exploring your neighborhood day, I hope that was well and good and beneficial. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know if there's anything you need or if there's anything I can do for you. Talk to you later. Deuces.